Hi everyone, Mahendran here. I am really happy to connect with you in this AMA update, mainly to invite all of you as well as introduce what is the session we have scheduled in this month, especially for AMA session. Ask me anything with Mahendran. In this session, we are planning to conduct coming week mainly Facebook live streaming using OBS. The same tool I am using now for live streaming. When you are joining this session, you will learn two things very importantly. One is like how to do the live streaming, parallelly how you can save the same content and repurpose the same content in multiple platforms. Even you are learning it for Facebook, same methodology and process you can use it for YouTube, any other platform. Many platform you can live stream using this tool. That's the main reason I'm inviting you to join this session. So now this session, like I no need to explain very detail about the OBS. It's a free and open source tool available for anyone who want to do live streaming or who want to create courses or who want to record themselves in the screen and with them or with camera, many things available. So you can join and learn and you can use this regularly, which I am using regularly to do live streaming or recording my courses or creating any video content for my YouTube, many purposes. So it's ultimate tool, free tool, open source tool. That means you don't have any watermark from the company which is publishing this tool, nothing like that. So you can try it out. I will also share it in the comment. If you want directly, you can download and you can start using it. But people who want to learn how to do the live streaming like this very customized way, those people can join. You might be like whatever the role you are playing, maybe a trainer, coach, or experts or professional, or you are doing live streaming in Facebook, or you want to do live streaming in YouTube, whatever maybe you recommend. So you can join in this session. It's really going to be useful. A 90-minute session. I will share everything what you need to learn and set up and how to download software, how to verify before installation, how to install after installation, how to set up after setting up, how to do the live streaming. Everything we will learn in this session. So I am super excited. Every like a week or once in a 2 week, we are arranging this kind of ask me anything session for especially for the trainers, coaches, experts, small business owners who are struggling in technology related things that might help them to do the live streaming. More than that, one more thing you can use it like even you have the content like already recorded content that you can use it for live streaming using this tool also. That's possible. Okay, so that way you can also save your time, energy, and you can also connect with more people, and meantime you can chat with the people when you are doing that live streaming. So now let us understand how you can join this session. So very simple steps, and you can, I shared already the link to join. This is only one link we are going to use for ask me anything with Mahendran session. Okay, always you can use the same link and you keep it with you, and anytime you want to check like what the session's going on, you can check it out and you can register. So if you come here, like we have two languages these sessions are running. One is in Tamil, another one in English. Okay, so always I try to keep one day difference, or morning, evening, or maybe once in a week, like that we can shuffle based on my other time schedules and everything. I will surely keep it in that way with a particular time span, so that you can learn whatever the session you want to join, you can join. Don't worry, like if you are missed also, you can connect with me, ask for the recording. I will also share with you so that you can use it. It's not a problem. But ultimately, if you join live, you will get the opportunity to interact with me, ask your doubts and everything. That will be very much helpful for you also. I also will get to know what kind of challenges people are facing. Okay, recording is different thing. I can record now also. I can send to you or share with you, but this is going to be like both a way learning experience. So you can go to this website and you have the option like Tamil session. You can click automatically. You will be directed to book for a Tamil session. You can book it here and join the session. Or if you want to book it for English session, you can click and directly you can book here and you can join the session. This is like how you can join the session. Very simple steps. But before you joining, you want to know more about this, like you can also see here why I started and everything explained in Tamil as well as English. You can check it out. After that, you can join. And if you have this link, every time you can check. Now, my next session will be updated here in the top. Okay, you can see like session topic, if we live streaming using OBS, customized live streaming possible with zero investment. That's what this tool is already. Free and open source tool. You can use it. The sessions are, as I told, the 17th July 11 a.m. in Tamil, 18th July 11 a.m. in English. That's very clear. So you can join, and whatever the session you are interested, you can book. All the details are available. Multiple options are available to book, and you can book it from anywhere. Like almost 3 call to action button I given, like you can use it. So what are the other area we normally cover? Everything is here. Like I try time to time, I will arrange the programs in a particular topic so that it will be helpful for you. You can also ask your questions, priority questions here at any time, like irrespective of your joining session or not joining session. You can ask your priority questions here so that like this is a dedicated form available. So you can fill this question. I will get immediate update within my mobile. So I can respond to you. Okay, after registration, what will happen? So after registration, you will directly get the like meeting link in your email, registered email. Other way also, you can try to log into learn.mytechacademy.com. Okay, learn.mytechacademy.com. So the link itself you can see, the learn.mytechacademy.com. So in that you log in the like meeting section, or I can say it's like for you will have 3 sections. One is for feed itself. You can see when the meeting is coming, means meeting is scheduled for you. From there also you can access the meeting link, or another way you can do it, like as I said, you will get in the email, or you can go to the video call section. There also you can get it. So feed itself, it will be visible what are the sessions you registered. And then next one is like in the video calls, you can also check. We have the mobile app also. Whenever you are interested, you can download that mobile app so that in hand you will know that when next sessions are coming related to AMA. Okay, ask me anything. Surely I will conduct as much as session possible. How much knowledge we can transfer, everything we can do it. I hope this will be useful for you. And if you found useful, you can also share with your friends. They might be colleagues or trainers or coaches or small business owners. You can share with them. It will be helpful for them. And I will see you in the next update. And whoever joined and supported these sessions and given very good feedback during the sessions, and after the session, who learned, implemented, and connect with me and share their experience, I personally thank all of them. And we will start learning and continuously learning and implement and develop ourselves, and also contribute to the sustainable development of the other peoples around us and to the world. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next update. Thank you. I see you inside the Facebook live streaming using OBS session. Let us meet inside. Thank you.